Do you know many people are having trouble with choosing the right cable for their Cisco Aironet 1562i? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Check cable type. First, ensure the cable is rated for outdoor use and is shielded for protection. Step 2. Verify category. Next, verify the cable is at least Category 5E, with Category 6 or 6A being suitable options. Step 3. Ensure outdoor use. Ensure the cable is designed to withstand environmental conditions if installation is outdoors. Step 4. Select quality connectors. Select a cable with high-quality connectors to ensure a secure and reliable connection. Step 5. Check compatibility. Finally, double-check for compatibility with the ACCESSPOINT to avoid any installation issues. By following these steps, you should be able to confidently choose the right cable for your Cisco Aironet 1562i. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Cisco users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.